I would normally like to start right at the beginning. So, where were you born, sir?
I was born in Bikaner, Rajasthan.
Bikaner, Rajasthan. All right. Okay. How is it there? I mean, your family was
No,
there?
actually, my father and mother both are from old Mysore state.
Okay.
My mother was born and brought up in Mysore. My father was born and brought up in Bangalore. He's from the first batch of the Government Engineering College in Bangalore.
All right.
But after some jobs here, he got a job in Jaipur.
Right.
So in 1924, he went to Jaipur and he was working there in the powerhouse.
All right.
Then, after a few years of work, Maharaja Ganga Singh Ji of Bikaner
Right.
came to Jaipur and he saw the work done by my father. So he asked the Maharaja of Jaipur, please ask him to come to Bikaner for 6 months.
Okay.
So Maharaja couldn't say no, so my father went to Bikaner
All right.
and then he never came back.
Okay.
So we were in Bikaner for about 9 years.
Okay.
Then all these princely states were merged and it became Rajputana.
Okay.
And my father was invited to be the chief engineer for the whole of Rajputana.
Okay.
And for that, he had to shift back to Jaipur.
All right.
So we shifted back to Jaipur. So I did my schooling in Jaipur. And then, of course, my engineering from Pilani.